Hello friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you and also show you how you can easily enable autoplay videos on your Facebook. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under this video. Also write your comments after watching it and subscribe to our channel. So, friends, let's get started. First of all, you need to open the Facebook application. After that, once you are on the main Facebook page, go to the menu section at the bottom, on the right side. Now at the top on the right side, click on the gear to open the privacy settings. Next, scroll down a bit and find the media option. Click on it. And here you'll be able to find this autoplay option. And first of all, you're going to need to make sure that you don't have this section right here turned on. It's never play the video. If you have it enabled like this, then you need to toggle it. You can either toggle it so that your Facebook autoplay videos only play when you're using Facebook over Wi-Fi, or you can choose the first option, which is your mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then you will always have any Facebook videos autoplaying. Here are such very simple methods. Friends, you can quickly and easily enable autoplaying of video clips on Facebook. Friends, I really hope this information was helpful for you. Please don't forget to write your comments, be sure to put your likes under this video, and also subscribe to our channel. Take care, friends.